Guys, eto na. Eto na talaga. I finally did it. I just left my 6-figure part-time job to finally pursue startup. So itong part-time ko na to, ito talaga yung originally full-time ko since last year. Then a few months back, actually nag-resign na ako kasi gusto ko na talagang mag-focus dito sa startup. Tsaka may bago kasi ako nakuha na full-time job na almost 3x nung previous job ko na yon. But nung nag-resign ako a few months back, they asked me to kahit pa paano maging part-time pa rin while transitioning yung bagong papalit sa akin na developer. And thankfully, naging maayos naman lahat so far. Kaya ito tayo ngayon. And by this month, I'll be fully offloaded na sa mga tasks ko doon and to finally focus on my startup sa Howdy tsaka kay Casey. So nabawasan man ako ng isa, yung part-time, meron pa rin naman akong full-time para ma-handle yung mga expenses natin. And of course, I still have this content creation and yung community natin, yung Build Out Loud by Howdy. And kahit marami tayong gagawin, I'll show you guys that it is possible and that in building a startup, you don't actually have to quit your full-time job agad-agad. So here we are with my team, Building Casey or Kuripot Coach. Say hi! Ayan, si Papa Jolo. Busy ah. Anong ginagawa mo?
Easy mo dapat. Easy lang.
Wala yan guys, peke, hindi nagtatrabaho yan. So nandito nga pala kami sa Airbnb namin. Sa Airbnb ko, that is managed by my wife. Dito yan sa Bloom Residences sa Sukat, Parañaque. This is my Airbnb business called Sylvan Stay. So if you want a staycation or a workation, mag-work lang kayo dito. Sobrang ganda ng ambience, sobrang ganda ng mood, and magiging productive ka talaga. Just visit our page at Sylvan Stay. Message lang kayo dyan, nasa Airbnb din kami. At ilalagay ko yung mga links dyan sa comments. And actually, nandito kami ngayon to prepare for Echelon, yung event natin tomorrow. Because we are luckily a part of the top 10 startups sa Echelon. Kasama ng iba't ibang startups pa, like yung Talent Hero, yung CareGo, NextPay, at marami pang iba. So guys, yun lang muna. Abangan nyo yung magiging mini vlogs pa natin and yung magiging startup journey natin dito sa channel and especially about sa mga mangyayari dito sa Echelon. I'll keep you guys posted. Yun lang muna. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!